So Matchmakers is a Cancer Grand Challenge team, which has been funded for the last couple of years by Cancer Research UK, the National Institutes of Health, and the Mark Foundation, which is assembled to try to answer the question of when a T cell is recognizing something in a tumor, what is it recognizing? Is there a way for us to be able to better predict that? And can we design our own therapies which are able to target some tumors?
I'm Regina, and I'm a postdoc at Birnbaum Lab here at MIT. Every T cell has a unique receptor, like a tiny sensor that continuously probes the body for molecular flags that are expressed on abnormal cells. In the scope of my study, we are trying to understand whether we can use these receptors to engineer T cells to improve immunotherapies for T cells to better and more efficiently recognize cancer cells and attack them.
So I'm Annie Ellis, and I'm a patient advocate. Patient advocates are people with lived experience with a history of cancer or some other medical condition, and we bring our patient perspective into research and medical dialogues. Scientists speak in the language of data, and patients speak in the language of hope. And as patient advocates, we try to bring those two together. We try to bring the hope of patient communities to the researchers, and we try to explain the research to our different communities.
My name is Elif, and I'm a second-year PhD student in the Birnbaum Lab. Each of us has an incredible diversity of T cells, which are immune cells, and each T cell recognizes a different peptide. There are billions and billions of these interactions happening in our bodies, and so it is very complex to understand which T cell recognizes which peptide. But it is also the key to understanding why some treatments work while others don't. And so I'm specifically focused on mapping these interactions so that we can find better targets for treatments and develop more personalized therapies.
My name's Amanda. I'm a fourth-year PhD student in the Birnbaum Lab, and I study how T cells, which are a special type of immune cell in your body, recognize their targets. So T cells keep your body healthy against viruses of cancer, but sometimes they can cause unwanted responses, and this is something that we actually see in transplantation. So when you receive an organ transplant or a liquid transplant, which is really commonly used to treat liquid cancers, you actually get an unwanted T cell response that causes rejection of the transplant, where T cells can actually attack tissues in the host. And so my work really focuses on how we can understand what's driving these unwanted T cell responses, kind of in the hope that we can develop therapeutics to address this.
These scientists who are coming together from all over the world, working together to learn more about T cells, and these discoveries are going to bring new and better treatments to help patients like me.
Our ultimate goal for Matchmakers is to take what we've started in the lab, be it computational approaches or developing data sets or new understandings of the immune system, and apply them to cancers as broadly as possible to impact as many patients as we possibly can.